In this video, I'll talk about ways you can gather materials and plan the content of your courses. If you chose the topic of your course, you already know what you will talk about. You have experience in the field, now it's time to find some tips related to your field of expertise. If you are creating your first course ever, I recommend you to create a lead generator type of course first. This will be a great exercise for you if you never created courses before. By creating your lead generator course, you will get familiar with the course creation process, and naturally, you will discover techniques and what works for creating your more advanced courses. A lead generator course is the type of course that should contain 3 to 10 tips. You want to create video lessons as the majority of online students prefer to watch videos and learn. You can add materials like PDFs, templates, or key points if you want. But at the beginning, you should stick with 3 to 5 simple steps where you can demonstrate that you know what you are talking about and you know about the field and your niche. Also, in this type of course, you should offer a quick solution to a small problem that your audience has difficulties dealing with. The lead generator course should be like an introduction of you to your market. People will get to know you for the first time or a bit more through this course. Also, as the type of the course name suggests, a lead generator course outcome is getting out a few quick simple tips so that potential students in your market could apply right away in their lives or business. A secondary result of the course would be presenting you to your market. Make them know that you and your business exist and they should be paying attention to you because you have the solution for them. A third important outcome of the course is for you to start growing your email list. Maybe you heard about the saying that the gold is in your email list. So, with your lead generator course, you should start building your email list and the traffic you own. I'll talk about building email lists in strategical ways in a future lesson. But what you should remember is that you want to start growing your email list as soon as possible. Now, the job of your lead generator course is to start generating leads. In marketing, the term leads represents people or businesses who could eventually become clients. Therefore, as your lead generator course is free, you're not making any money in short term. Or you could make some money if you put a symbolic price tag, but you have to see the students enrolling in this as possible future clients for your more advanced courses. On the other hand, if you are in this for the money, it could mean a wrong start for you. Your main focus should always be on the impact you could bring to people first. Always think when creating your courses, how could I help more and better? This should be your philosophy. Keeping this in mind will make you stay focused on creating the best online courses that exist, and naturally, the money will follow. But, and this is important, when creating an online course, you should also think about the financial aspect of your course. If your courses will only impact students but won't sell, your online course business won't exist for long. This is why the market research phase is so important, and you absolutely must not skip it. During your market research, you will find what people want and what is the solution that they are looking for, solution that you need to create. If people in your market want a blue pen and you create a green one, you may be wasting your time. Listen to your market and its needs. This will help you in avoiding a lot of headache and wasted time and energy. Getting back to our lesson, first focus on the impact and the help your students need, then on the money. But you should always keep the two concepts in mind. They are equally important for growing your business. Now, creating a lead generator course should be easy in terms of finding materials. In this course, you should introduce yourself shortly, where you could mention who you are and why people should listen to you. Use the language and keywords that are specific for your field to connect with your students and your target audience. Then find 3 to 5 tips you want to discuss in the course and present them. 1 tip per video lesson, which could be 1 to 10 plus minutes long. Choose the tips so that they can include some action from your students. Then, present your tips in such a way that your students could apply what you are talking about in their lives or business. So, if you are a chef, you can show the exact 3 or 5 steps or tips to make the best omelette that exists. Then, in the conclusions part of your course, make a quick summary of what you discussed in the course and present a call to action. That means you should tell what your students should do next. You could maybe tell them to enroll in the waiting list of your fast solution course, follow you on Facebook or YouTube, and so on. Also here you can run a promotion. You may say that you will take off 30-50% off of one of your future advanced courses, and in this way you could offer some discounts, coupons, and so on. Again, gathering the materials for your lead generator course should be easy. You have the knowledge, you just have to transfer it on video lessons. Of course, you can use other types of lesson delivery, but I recommend you to use HD videos. Don't overcomplicate this. You need 3 to 5 videos for your lead generator course. That's it. I know it's tempting to create more, but keep in mind that you can do that in your more advanced courses. Now, before continuing to the next lesson, for your assignment, use notes, post-it notes or Trello and start brainstorming on what 3 to 5 essential tips you could include in your lead generator course. Plan a short introduction to the course and a conclusion, which should include some sort of call to action, a promotion, maybe an upsell to another course or your services. After you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.